Hello people, I'm going to show you how to make a Nerf gun shoot airsoft BBs. First, you need a pen, some thread, a dart, any kind, tape, airsoft BBs, and a gun. So, a Nerf gun. First you tape your thread to the end of the pen so it's covering up part of the hole. Now you have to tape it like this, so it covers half of it. Now it stops the BB from when you put it in. The BB just doesn't go through the pen and out the other end. The thread stops it, and yeah. Then you take your Nerf dart and take off like the suction dart or the top of a streamline, whatever kind of dart you have, and take this end with the thread and put it into the dart. Don't want to push it all the way through, just like a millimeter away from the end. Now, you take your gun and put in your dart. You might want to tape your dart to the barrel so when you shoot, it doesn't just fly out. Okay, now you take the airsoft BB, put in how many you want, because if you put in like this, then it's going to be like a shotgun. Okay, one bad thing about this is that if you tilt it like forward, like if you tilt it down, then the BB will fall out of your gun. Okay, now I'm going to show you a quick firing test. I'm going to be over here, and I'm going to shoot over here into the bathtub. So, just watch for the BB, see if you can see it. Did you see that? I don't think you did because it goes so fast. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you it with multiple BBs. Okay, same thing. Take your BBs, put in like a one or like two or more. I'm putting 3 in. And I'm going to show you how it fires. Okay. Watch. Oh, actually I found a BB. I'll put in 4. I'll just be standing at the door. Okay. Ready? Yeah. Wow. Okay. And that's how to make a Nerf gun shoot airsoft BBs.